I don't think it's working. Wish it is on. Right. Can I hear anything? Where's my earphone? Oh yeah, it is working. You can hear my voice. I'm just talking shite though. Right, let's go. Right here. Let me test this actually. If I plug out this stupid cable. Right back in. Is it working? Yeah, it is. Right, let's go. Higher beings, these words are for you alone. Your great strength marks you amongst us. Focus your soul and you shall achieve feats of which others can only dream. OMG, bruh. What's in here? Oh! I've only got single jump. That's crazy. Oh, jeepers, the jingles. How many lives? 5? Oh, I have to actually collect the geo. I'm trying to do double jumps here, flat out. Oh. And there's no wall jump. Jeepers. I forget this. These blue lives, extra lives. Why do I need them? Is there something around? Oh, I cannot get up there now. I need some volume. I can't really hear anything that's going on in the game. Does it come through my ears now? No, I can't hear it. Right, where are we going? This is like, what's this place called? Kingdom's Edge or something? Higher beings, these words are for you alone. Beyond this point, you enter the land of King and Creator. Step across this threshold and obey our laws. Bear witness to the last and only civilization, the Eternal Kingdom. Hollow Nest. My God. Let's go. I think this is Dirtmouth now. First bench. Let's talk to this guy. Hello there, traveller. I'm afraid there's only me left to offer welcome. Our town's fallen quiet, you see. The other residents, they've all disappeared. Headed down that well, one by one, into the caverns below. Used to be there was a great kingdom beneath our town. It's long fell to ruin. Blah blah blah. Interesting. See you later, bye. I guess we'll go down below too. Oops. He's trying. He wants his kids back. Well, I'll see you later. Collect all them grubs. Oh, these are all back. Oops. Oops. Let's collect all this gel. Geo. This is from a map, I suppose. I wonder where we corner first at. Can I get that slug yet? Or it's too high up or something? I think it's too high. See you later, wee fella. No dash, no wings, no nothing. Have to collect this geo like a noob. Oops. As I die, oh my god, I actually died. I just let myself have no lives. No. I'm being a bit reckless. I don't think there's anything in here. Yeah, there's nothing for me in here. Talk to this one. What is this dude anyway? Are we deer? Mythical creature? It doesn't exist. After doing that Coliseum of Fools and Pogo and everybody. Oops. I tried to like jump off the wall there. Oops. Okay, I'll hit sideways sometimes. I know. Is there something? There's nothing up there. What? Oops. Oops. We'll circle back to this place. Let's see this fella. He's a jumpy wee fella. Oh, is there a fight? No. Alright, let's go this way. Let's go down here. Okay. We're locked. We can't get in here yet. Where do we go? Where are we supposed to go? Nothing in here today. I think she just talks a load of dung and we can't actually do anything yet. There's a shaky roof up here. No, we're friends at this stage in the game for some reason. And then they all take a turn against me. Wish I could dash. Shiggy grind. That's it. Right. We checked it out anyway. We got peace of mind. We've seen everything. Let's go. Right. Where to next? Let me just remind myself where we're at. Let's go out here. We don't have a map. I wonder if we're Alcor. Oh! We got a proper fight going on here. Get out of my road, you. Holy mother. Oh! I forgot I can't, oh gosh. Okay. Oh! Holy crap. He is more than a minute. And I can't use any. Holy god. Uh-oh. I died again. I am my wiggling at this stage. Holy god. Right. Where's my soul? Nobody even knows. Alright. Run your way. You're letting me down. What's his name even? What's this wee fella's name? I can't even shoot out my soul thing yet. I need to be careful. I got kicked the shit out. Oh, I think this is the wrong place. Yeah. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna ruin that fella. I need to have a different strategy. I had all the power there not too long ago. Let's see what's in here. Is it even here? Oh, oh. Somewhere. Oh. Whoops. Oh, that's not cornflower, that's a slug. Grub. Oops. Cash money. Oh. How do I beat this guy? Oh, 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 oh!
Oh my god.
Right, let me look at the screen this time. Where's myself? Huh. Down there did I go? I think it was out here actually. Yeah, up here. This is where the bastard is. Right here. Right, how do I beat him? There's my sword. Come here, you. Oh. Right. How do I beat him? In the night, bang.
Oh my god.
Oh,
yeah,
he's
yeah,
running.
yeah, yeah,
Stop
yeah.
running at me, bro. And,
And then jump over it.
I can't jump over anything. Oh!
Jump over it.
Okay, it's done. Oh. 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 Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god.
We got 45 doll hairs. Wait, saved my first doll. You're welcome, grub.
Your first grub.
First grub. Right, cool.
After you get a few turns, you should get that map saying that you look at all
Oh
of the grubs.
yeah, where did I get that? I think I have to unlock a few areas. Whoa. Whoa. We'll get money off the grub fella now.
I think you can.
Hello, give me money, thank you. Okay. 10 quid? That's all that grub means to you? Oh, I'm dead. Green path. Oh, it's blocked. Yeah. Oh, info. I think it closes up.
You have to blast with soul.
Yeah. Yeah, no. So I guess this is like blocked until later. Oops. I think I have to go down here anyway. Corner fair. Right, give me a map, please, madam. 30 quid.
Csokol, kerektíz.
Okay, we're done. What? Oh yeah, she has the store. Did I just miss out loads of stuff like that? No. Right or left? I think you're right. Cheaper. I cannot do this. I know, he gets all infected. They were just trying to teach me how to do that. Okay.
Are you serious?
Oh. I just did it. Oh.
Oh. Look at them go.
Oh. That just opened. What's in here? I forget. There's something up there, something. Yeah, mask fragment shard thing.
Can't dash across or anything.
Money down there. It's way easier, holy god, to fight them and stuff. Oh my god. There's nothing here. I'm right beside the rider. What is it talking about? Can I jump out of that, or I have to get down? Holy fudge. Good idea. Oh, this place is familiar.
Oh yeah, this place gets blocked off later. This is gas station.
For real?
Up there.
What's in here? Was this like a fight or something? I feel like it was here not too long ago. Ooh.
Oh, is it?
Okay. City of Tears or something like that. There's something up here, isn't there? I'm full, so should I go up though, as you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh jeez, that's a big one. Oh. Oh. Where's my money? Go up?
Just for the
See? Okay. Yeah. I feel like that's way smoother than the first time. That store will be open in Dartmouth.
Goro Horu. Valava.
and then you can buy.
Buy something. Yeah.
Bapanada.
Layered compass.
Perfect.
And the rest of the stuff she sells is like useless.
Yeah.
Bapanada.
Like, what is this?
Okay, the quill is not useless.
Yeah.
That updates things.
What this and that? I thought we had a load of money. Okay,
You
flat
did.
me.
You had like 300, but you spent 220.
Yeah.
Like,
I guess I should put it on.
go down and kill some guys in Dartmouth and then come back because you only need like one more coin to get that
Oh yeah.
quill thing. And then you
Okay,
can
let's
see
do
the
it.
maps and-
It doesn't matter if I die.
No, you won't die. Look, just for this.
No, no, no.
Kill these two guys.
There we
This
go.
is easy.
It was only 120, yeah?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Bapanada.
And then I think that one is like, it just shows you all a bunch of
Bapanada.
bench pen.
Right. Do you want to play it? I'll plug out the mic. Because the mic, yeah, or else you have to sit right here.
You plug in yourself too.
Te juro.
Hello, Mr. Schmiggles. Or Smiggles. Smiggles. Hello, the better Tobin. Jiva Horja. Kajamarata Chevenue. What's the crack? Hell no, I'm an expert. Are you joking? First time playing. I'm not actually playing right now. I passed it off, giving my fingers a wee break. Wait you see when I play, you're gonna be amazed. Nothing but pogo and by. I just pogo on everything all day. It's a good game. I love it. It's so cool. Good luck. Yeah, jump into them, headbutt them. That's how you do it.
Ah!
Oh jeez. We got another slug grub.
Hey there.
These just keep spawning back, so they're... I think you killed these guys already, didn't you?
Very good. But I don't
And you're getting all this stone, you can do nothing with it.
know. Hold on. There's another place to go over here. To go up.
Oh yeah. Let me kick his ass.
Oh, I'll let you do this then. Hold on.
Make sure you get it down to 1 life before you give it to me.
Sorry.
I like to play on the edge, yeah. Right, come here you slabber. Oh my god. I can't. Alright, let's go. Hey, mister. Oh, I can't hear it. That's what's wrong. Here, do you want to take this again?
No.
Yeah, go.
Oh, no.
Let's get him. Put.
Look at all
Oh,
the
there's another one.
places Geo up there.
Oh wow. Thank you very much. Hoi, hoi. Look at this here. I think you're pregnant. Oi, oi, oh, oh. Oh, these be ourselves. Oh my god.
It looks like a caught between a rock and a hard place.
Yeah, I get that.
They get the two things.
The little one's getting behind me, and then they fuck me up. Hey, rats. I keep trying to double jump and all that stuff too. What's here? What's up there? Oh, there's a bug. I remember trying that. Oh Jesus, mother Christ. Oh. Oh god. Why did I laugh so much? It wasn't even funny. I can hear myself in my ear. Is there something there? No. Right here, you play this again. I'll just, if there's someone out to kill.
No, Michael, no.
You have 2 lives, you're kinda alright for now. Go, yeah, like that. Just in between when it's, uh oh, you're fucked. Get out of there. Get out of there. No, not that way, you're going to the corner down, oh my god. Just go down, no. Just, yeah.
There's too many of them.
Oh, I think there's a fight in there to the right.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
There's soul up there. Lethal. Go and then refill your last 3 and then go in and do that big fight.
No, I'm gonna do that big fight. You do that big
It doesn't even fill it up.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't like this small saving. Oh, we've been here before. Yeah, we've been here before.
Are you going to do that fight either?
Can't dash.
No. Go do that fight out to the right. That's like to do the next part. Yeah, it's the big bouncing thing that dun 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 dun. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Oh no. Oh no. Michael. You do this part.
Oh jeez, we'll try to stand that. I might. Uh-oh. Oh god.
Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh.
Shit, but you get through the- She's pretty right.
Oh god. Piece of shit.
You got 2 lives left.
Oh, it goes to the rift too. Ew! That was pure luck. Hi. Money, money, money. You fuckery. What's inside it? His belly rumbled. Right, open the door. Oh!
Oh my
Oh!
god. What?
We rats. Take that, you shits.
So you're like,
They were just ready to be born when I killed her. Oh yeah, I need to.
thinking dash towards you.
Try it. Oh shit. Oh, this wee prick.
Oh, Tile.
Oro, you oaf. You wield your nail like a club. Oh, he teaches me stuff. How much deeper do we have to go? Oh, what? Who are you? Oh, he's like infected or something a bit. That's sly. Right, sell me something, man. Give me something. Okay, bye. Shortcut. Oh, and this is too high. Okay. Where do we? No. Where do we go?
That way.
Yeah. I went out that way. It's blocked.
Is it?
Yeah, there's a big...
Big pipe?
Where am I going? Let me show you. Right, we went here. We went down here. This is blocked over here. You know, it jumps too far.
We'll jump. Get up there.
And then what we did was just unlock this. Like, there's a wall up here. So this is where we're supposed to go. But where I left her? Up here?
Up, I guess.
Oh, for... Jeez, again.
This is where, like... So that's what you do.
In here? No, we don't have. You went in here?
Yeah, but you need to...
You need the yoke. There's something behind this rock. Doing. Where do we go now?
Up. I don't know if you go up. No, up is blocked. Okay,
In there?
let's try. We went there.
We went here? Oh yeah, fuck this.
That's where the grub was. And then up all the way is blocked.
So where do we go? Map?
Yeah.
Oh, we're away off the map. Oh, there's like a map, a false night thing. Is that what it is? The night?
Yeah.
Right, you want to run there? It's annoying. I'll sit there then.
This is weird. That was blocked. I think you have to.
Oh, hit that, yeah.
Oh. Sorry.
How many people join it? I guess
Oh, we went here before.
down and left. Let's go and fight that guy.
Down and left. Fight that
Well-
guy. He's a big one.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh,
You
okay.
can do all that now.
Okay. No. Oh, hold on. Okay. Oh, I know where this big guy. I know what this big guy is. This one.
It's not him.
Yeah,
Show
it
the map.
is. Oh, no, that's just.
That's just on there.
He just dodged him. Oh no, Michael. Oh no. Yeah, I did. He's just down. Downstairs. Oh! Ah! Ah! How are you gonna fight this guy?
Oh, hell.
You don't have dad. How are you gonna dodge? Now it's this big one. Whoa.
Looks like we had, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh shit.
I'm screwed
You
here.
have to go under him. Oh, jump.
Shit. I just lost that guy.
Recover. You have time to run under him when he is. Oh shit. Recover. Dodge.
You dumb motherfucker.
Second one. Oh my god.
There you done. this is a new place, isn't it?
Yeah. There's something. We came
What way?
in this way and
We
then.
came in this way.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What? Something came alive when you just hit his hammer.
For real?
Yeah. And then it walked away.
Oh, we got. Oh yes, his thing is that hammer was actually a bug or something.
Yeah, it walked that way.
I don't think we can catch it.
Can you not?
No. I think it waits until you get a certain distance and then it comes on. Can we do anything up here? No. No, we can't wall jump. Right here, do you want to take over?
He's doing bird birds. What's up here?
Oh, is this the fire skull place?
Shake it right here.
Hmm.
Nomino, nomino.
I'm gonna lock you up.
Really? Why?
Now you can flip it out.
Why is she gonna lock me up though? I have to block
In
her out?
exchange for giving you powers.
Okay. Do I have to get out a different kind of way? Still can't get up. Oh no. Oh, there's nowhere to jump. Haha! A downward dive. Oh, pogo is that. I don't want to jump over there. He's gonna have me.
No. We'll wait until he lands and then he'll move back away.
Oh. Oh! For fuck's sake. I should be over confident.
You can fill up your lives and then use that soul. Okay. I don't know
Oh
how you do
shit!
that.
Why did I do this, Michael?
I'm not too sure.
Michael, why did I do that?
You're gonna die.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna die. Oh shit, maybe I am. Oh no! I cannot believe this. What the hell? I just died. What? Is this closed again? It did not. It all closed again.
Thank Lord. Let me play.
Are Alright, I'll hand it over to you.
You can try again.
No, I don't want to. It's gonna be boring if I do it.
Easy work. I think you should be able to kill him with just full soul because
One full soul.
once you
Fuck's sake.
use
Come on.
the soul, how do you fill it back up?
Obviously not like this. Oh no. Oh no. Obviously not like this. Okay, well, here we go. There we go. Alright, you do.
Me?
Yeah, your turn.
Oh,
Kill these little guys.
oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy fuck, kill that guy.
Yeah, we're done here.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck her, Reno. I'm down.
No.
What?
Again, it
Wasn't
starts you.
We gotta turn you off.
What?
We gotta turn you off.
Yeah. You're trying to dash. Holy fuck.
Right.
You're so back. Oh my god, no.
I'm gonna take no damage.
Okay. Calm
Doesn't
down.
matter. 1 life, 2 life, just go.
No, you gotta come back here. Alright, keep an eye on those little guys that come
There's
out.
like fucker.
Oh, he's gonna
This is
shoot
awkward
them.
the way I have to hold this controller. Right, let's try it easy. There you go. And you're like, I take over. Right.
Wait till he's put those little thingy bobbers out.
I'm scared of me. Come on there.
Like, now he's Michael! Shoot soul at him.
Fucker, Reno.
Alright, you need to walk yourself back so you can practice fighting those little guys. That's what. That's around. Yeah, the timing is the
The
same.
wind
as
up
these
for
guys.
my thing is off.
Another one.
You want me to collect all this geo?
Yeah. No, it's fine. That's why they walk you over there to practice things.
So gotcha. That's where it coming from. Well, let me out, lady.
Oh, Louis Silva, man.
There we go. That wasn't bad at all. Look, wait, see, people will watch it when you're playing. When I'm playing, nobody watches it.
Why are they not watching?
There's only one now, and then up to 2 and 3 when you're
Why would anybody watch me play? I suck. That just makes me nervous. Just open a new door.
Oh, this corner for...
Check out this new exploring place. Ah! Pick up. Oh, this is the acid and we don't have to fill the stairs. I just jumped straight into the acid.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh hi, there's acid. That's fun. Uh-oh.
Too soon, maybe. Should I? I don't know.
Come on. Fuck's sake. No. 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 I'm not done. Oh, fuck. Maybe I am. Oh, shit. I'm done. Oh, no. I just died here. What the hell? I cannot believe this.
I'm just watching. It's okay.
Yeah, good. I'm just too nervous. Okay, okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna die again. Oh shit. Oh no. 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 did it! Oh, yes. Yeah, I did. I get back. Oh. Well, guess I must be just a very lucky person not to get stabbed by those stabby things. Oh, this looks fairly dangerous. Hate these things. Oh, no, 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 no! Okay, yeah, I'm good. I survived the thing, Bobby. Survived. Ooh, Geo. Geo. That's Geo. Mija. Oh, you need double jump to get there. I think it's all blocked. Whoa. Uh-oh. I can't use that. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Where am I supposed to go next?
now?
I don't know. I just rescued a grub and then...
You rescued another grub?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I think we found this one earlier.
Yeah.
I wonder where's next.
I don't know.
Oh, I know.
What's next? Wait, Jerry's
We
supposed
have
to
to
go
go-
back to Dirtness next?
No, go left. Under, like, green path or something?
Watch me kill this guy with no damage.
bother to you. Look at that.
Hey.
Remember we were going left and there was one of them bugs and we couldn't get past them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that.
Down this way?
I know fucking no, left anyway.
Oh,
Just keep trying to go left.
there was a bunch of deer back down here that I couldn't get past because I can't jump onto that ledge.
Yeah, go back and go down. And
Back
left
and
if you
down?
can. Yeah, I think so.
Down.
Oh. I guess you can.
Maybe we can. Maybe we can try.
You can't go up there, can you?
I just came from there, so I thought we were not going to go back. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I think if anybody comes to kill me now, I will definitely die. Okay.
Just let me know if you need help.
I will 100%. Oh, this was the place we couldn't go up here because it was
Yeah, that there is too high. But
so
there
we
was
wanna
somewhere.
go. Oh my god, he's back! No.
Somebody said, do animate it. Hallowed be thy night.
What? What does that mean?
Hallowed be thy name. And,
I know that our Father.
and then the other one was, this called Hollow Knights.
Ah. Okay, so I actually don't remember if we came this way already. Oh.
This is where Cornifer was.
Conifer. Oh, maybe there's
Go up and left and see what's up. Let's see what's up there.
Yeah, we just kind of jumped through here, but we didn't. Oh, I know what this place is. There's a little pathway thing somewhere over here.
Go up and left.
If I can jump through these guys.
Where are you going?
I don't know, I'm just jumping about.
Go up.
I got jumping beans and pants, so I can't.
Up and then left.
Yeah. This is so much harder to get through without double jump. Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm just trying to
Just
like...
do a long jump. Keep going over.
Okay,
See what
there's a
happens.
little thing
do,
right
do a long jump left. Okay, that wasn't a long jump because
I accidentally let go of the thing before I would do the long jump. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna do it professionally and perfectly.
You go right to
Alright, to the edge. Oh my god!
There we
Nice.
go.
There we are. Oh, when these guys get infected, they're like so stupid.
Deadly. They're the ones that dash at you, are they?
Oh, yeah.
Explode.
Let's see. Oh, here we go. I need to fight over here. Oh! It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna kill these guys. I'll get a lot of soul back. It's okay, it's okay. I'm totally gonna make it. I'm gonna survive. It's okay, it's okay.
You want me to do this?
Yes, maybe.
Holy fuck.
It's okay.
You're killing me here.
It's okay. You're killing me, Paul. It's okay. We got this. Yeah, you just do this. Kill all those guys. Oh. Alright, there you go. Look it. Oh my god. Alright, slow up your legs.
There's no more soul out here.
No, there's no more. So nice.
Okay.
Hold on,
You
wait,
need it,
you
though.
gotta go that way. Oh my
What?
god, no, you can't. What the fuck? We're gonna die
I
here.
think you can go out here.
Shit, we're gonna die here.
Holy dog, I'm done. We'll do that on a different day.
We just need to sit on a bench. It's
Yeah.
okay. One of these guys. Just kill a few of these guys.
I need at least 2 lives. Or else we're playing with fire.
These are easy to get
I'm not doing it for the money.
I am. Oh my god, no.
Fuck, I'm going mad. This is a massacre. Oh god!
Oh!
I meant to do that.
I'm not sure if
I'm totally because I wanted to get all this jail.
Oh my god. Is this green path? We can't do
I
green
shouldn't
path.
fucking genocide all of these things.
Oh, you're so good at the jumps. I'm terrible.
Oh!
Ah!
Mother.
I'm terrible at the jumps.
Nobody's getting out alive here. Did we collect money from the grub pile?
No. Not for the last grub, I think.
Oh, we're owed money.
I almost didn't make it to the last grub that I saved where you were calling and I was like, Michael, no. You're getting teased.
Right, pay up. Rubble stealth scheme.
What the hell?
Hey, can I go for that girl? That would happen.
20?
Thank you very much.
Like 100 maybe?
I'll take that.
90?
Did it?
Yeah, like 90. Look at this. Let me see.
Right, where do we go now?
I don't know, through that little passage there.
I think it's blocked by a bug that we have to shoot soul at. And we couldn't pass it because we didn't have soul.
Oh, there we go.
Right, come on.
You
shoot
have to
something
kill the. He's gonna shoot fire and shoot these things.
at.
Oh! Be
Are
careful!
you joking?
Shoot some soul at him. Right, there you go. Oh, Esmeralda's tear we need.
Esmeralda! Esmeralda tails are
You got 2 lives left. Just keep an eye on that.
What am I even doing?
I don't know.
What's up here? Cannot.
Look down, look down, look down. Careful, because the little fluffy things that come out of the grass. Fluffy green things.
There is enough. I just need to read that so.
Mm-hmm.
Green path. Can I go up?
You can. And then use it.
Overtime. That's it.
Yes. That was it. There's nothing.
That's amazing.
Oh
What is this?
shit. Remember these
Stinky
things.
cat.
And they explode when they die. Oh!
What do you do?
They explode when they die.
Good. Can I go down here? Is there a big thing?
Oh, fuck it. They're infected.
They're
Aren't they
infected?
infected? That was the orange stuff that's coming out.
Yeah, I guess they are. Or at least they just.
Oh.
Can I go down here?
Yeah.
Is there any purpose?
There's a poopy thing there. Be careful. Get on the floor.
Okay. Good to know. Look, everybody turns off when I play.
Oh, wait, wait. Ooh.
Thank you very much.
Why don't you get to fight a flying man?
Yeah, I can try that.
No, not right now.
I totally
You don't
can
have
try
dash now.
I don't need that. I'm doing great stuff.
Check for that.
We don't have this one.
Oh, we have five. I thought I was
Well, cauliflower makes more sense to me.
yeah, makes sense.
Oh, there's leaf guys, man. Look, there's that one. This is too.
Oh,
Oh, perfect. I need to drink.
you wanted to drink some acid?
I used to think these were dead. I don't know.
I wish you would tell me why.
Tell you why what?
You said I used to think the deadly, and now they're not.
What's the song?
No, man. Oh! Why did you do that? You jumped right into it. You're like, I want to breathe the infection.
That's too boring. I want to spice it up with some deadly infection. No. Just where
Hornet.
I can't get out right now.
I guess so. But maybe you can go there.
No. Alright, let's go across. Down.
Can you get to
Yeah,
the
just drop.
top and the side?
You can go out at the bottom here. Oh shit.
No!
I was just trying.
You go right that way. There, go that way. Yeah, okay. You can swim under that way when you get as close to you.
Esmeralda's tail.
Ooh!
Oh!
He's
No, he's not.
now he's not.
No, no, cut this.
Uh,
Okay. Just have to do it in
yeah.
a cool way.
Yeah.
I can tell what. Woohoo. Oh, she's squished me. Oh, scheisse. Oh,
Oh.
fucker, anyway.
He's gonna explode.
I can try it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they don't do it when you hit the head.
Yeah.
That's what pulls on the head. You're dead. Who's coming? You?
Cornifer! Oh.
Hello, man.
Make him noise.
Show me your wares. That does not look like a man to me.
His wife is the one that says Papiana.
Oh, don't judge that.
No.
Gee, that looks like a one. Corner for
Choco, look at it.
Not. No, we can't tell.
Come on, double jump.
No double jump. Something down there. Right, let's go.
Oh, it's like to get back.
Where's the level?
There's two things.
Try.
Infection.
I have no fear of infection. Oh. Oh, that's the teeth were.
The teeth man. Who was the teeth?
The hunter. The hunter. This is the hunter's journal.
Muts pura pubis.
Got the other.
You play fucking in the start. Oh my god. Please do anything.
Oh, why did I do that?
It's Melba.
Try me, you little nub motherfucker. I know we need Esmeralda in the house. Is there something in there?
There might be something.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. So we were already here, you know? Oh, that was nice.
Taking a bath in the acid.
Splish, splash,
No! Oh,
hello, sir. Oh,
oh, these ones
jump
they
into that.
they spewed out like a bunch of stuff on it. What the heck? Oh, I did it!
Yeah, I meant to do that. Oh, the chair. Now we're talking. Okay. Right, who wants some? Who wants some? Uh-oh. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm going back up this way for a little gander. Look at this. Go. Inspect.
Oh,
shit.
these guys always kill me.
If you stay right under them, they're dead on. Under them or above them. Oh, shite.
Oh, that aside from too.
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah, from this way.
I think so. Cabot, I think. That's memory.
There's nothing over here for me.
Oh, there is.
Just go out. Okay.
Oh, it's those floppy guys.
I can't.
You can dash, I think.
Fuck them up. Oh!
Hold on. I don't use this dash until you get dash. Then you dash.
Get back here. Oh.
Oh.
No waste all my stuff. If I get a bit so I'll shoot at it.
No, just keep shooting at it and you can't get it fast enough. Oh my god. How do you get it? I think this is a hopeless case.
Alright, I'm done. You little bitch.
Wait, I think it's focusing on the thing that's open. Wow. Fuck it. Ooh, he's fine.
Oh, shite.
He's so useful. You got two
In here, nothing.
no, under.
I got nothing. I don't think we can go in
Can, but you shouldn't.
here. Yeah, no. We'll come back. We'll circle back.
And then there's the green. And you go around.
Oh, I did see him blocking the gate. Yeah. Fluffy McGee. Another one.
These are the two mosquito guys,
Oh, that one just got fucked in the schneid. Zero fucking damage. Good
right?
trying.
Oh, look, there's Geo in the bottom.
And the hole.
He's a harvester.
And the hole.
I forgot. Is it supposed that you started calling it?
I think he's. Yeah, I don't know actually. I don't know. Imagine it's called like Jim or something.
No, wait. Oh, I thought this was a bad part where you're gonna die from Yeah, the ones that on there effectively dash at you and
Explode, yeah.
I hate that. He went no way.
It's on that here. Oh wow. On the green path. We're going across the border.
Maybe. Get up to you.
Oh, I think this is a hard thing.
Oh.
Oh, it's this display.
Yeah.
Where should I go, down or up?
Wait, just check it out first. Yeah, up.
Let's go up.
Oh, I know this place.
I got fucking up.
Are you really?
Yeah, listen.
He throws grass at you, remember, don't you?
I don't even think. Can I even get on top?
You can. He's got a very long reach. You've got two
I'll
hands.
just do
You've
it.
got two right
There we go. I used to be deadly. Where are we at?
I don't know. It's so cool. It's very crossroads.
Crossroads. I can't jump up there.
Can you? Maybe you can jump up the Forgotten Crossroads side.
I can get up here.
Maybe that side. Oh, whoops. Just go back. We came this way before, remember?
Did we?
Yeah,
Yeah, do you want to do it?
sure. You're not as good though. Fuck's sake!
11. Get your life.
Okay. I know, I'm great at this game. I'm so good okay. I'm just gonna go reading. Yeah. I'm just gonna read over No, I'll stay with me.
Yeah, left. We know where left.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh, we can't go this way.
Can't?
Mm-mm.
Oh, we need double jump together.
Yeah.
I hear a grub. I hear the grub. The grub song. Am I supposed to go down?
Yeah, you can go down the left. Yeah, then. This is all explored, isn't it?
Yeah. But there's like a little place on the map where you can go.
Right to the right. Okay.
Uh-oh. There's an accident. Wasn't supposed to be that way.
Got him.
I did it.
You did it. here.
Be over here and you killed 2 guys over here.
So go on the map. Okay, go back in there and just keep going down.
Just keep going down?
Yeah.
Okay. Down, down, down. Oh, fuck's sake. Now what? Go down. Just keep going down.
Yeah.
Oh! Uh-oh. Try it out.
Nothing down here.
Right, so now...
There's something down there to the right. You see the building?
Yeah,
Stack station or something?
it's,
Yes, please. Nice.
uh-oh. Uh-oh!
Perfect.
That was very far away that I did not mean to jump. What is there to go? Just keep going down.
Oh, we fucked.
What kind of money we have? $1,000. I need you. 1,000 euros. And Margie, I just went straight into my back. That's where I came from.
Everything up here, yeah, it's just like walls.
I think that's just where I came from.
Yeah.
And then I just go down here.
You never went down here before. And are we stuck going left? We can't go left.
There's like the Cillian thorns right here.
Nice.
Oh,
What's this take me?
I don't know.
Oh, this is
Ooh.
locked too.
Locked door. Ah!
Rookie mistake. Got you anyway.
A bit of soul. I think you got a bit of soul from those things when you killed them.
Can you go left?
I can try, but maybe not. I think you can go down to here.
Oh,
Oh
fuck yeah.
no, I'm not doing this. There's no way. You do that first. Oh,
That's it.
and spike this.
Bomb.
Okay.
Go a different direction.
See, check from the map and see what there is. Oh, there's just that way to go for new places to explore. Hello. There's nothing. Okay.
Hey, what's down there?
I don't know.
Hold on, go look. And look down.
There's soul. You're like, you're probably gonna die here, so here's some soul.
You go right. There's some over here too.
Oh, so up and right?
Maybe. No, right.
Just regular
Down
right?
and right. You can't get that? No, you need your...
Yeah. Oh! I did not see you. Hello, friend. I need your info. Oh. Follows through here. I almost
You
tried
what?
to dash across.
I know.
Like, it was through
Is
here.
it Bug
and then
Canyon or something?
something happened that we didn't tell.
Oh shit, yeah.
Okay, I think we can just go.
Here you go.
Can
It
I?
might just be a shortcut.
Maybe.
When you do that for something else. Yeah.
Fuck. There's something over here. Look,
You need dash and all for that.
there's a charm right here. We need dash because we have to slide down across that.
I don't know, can you crystal or can you down pogo off those thorns? No. No. Oh fuck me, you're trying it. Why are you trying it?
I don't know.
No, get out of there.
I am gonna go.
Get your
real quick.
dash, get your dash.
Where's dash from?
Go up there and see.
If dash is up there.
No, just gonna try. If you're falling down towards it, just hit anyway. And then
Just to make sure that.
it'll save you from banging into him if you hit him.
You went this way.
No, no bother.
Probably.
We got a load of money.
No. Yep. See what we can see.
What do you call it? Bapping? Yeah, but what's those wee fluffle duffle?
Fluffy duffy.
Nice.
There's the fluffy.
What's the Batman Yabba one we call?
Mrs. Sly? I don't know.
Yeah, Cornifer's wife.
Cornifer's wife, I think. Papa Yabba.
Bappin Yabba. Bappin Yabba.
Papa Yabba. And then there's that other lady that goes like, ah! No, I think that is the sound she
There's
makes.
one that does that.
I just made that sound when I fell down here. We're in the next dive station. We have to find this dive station.
What's up in there?
We just went there. We never even
Can you jump across? Oh, fuck.
Fuck's sake.
Can you jump across that right side?
You need a dash across. You need like
Jump.
holds up.
No, you don't.
Ah!
You can get over there.
Okay, I'll try.
Just go right at the edge. Just jump when you get right to the edge.
Am I right at the edge?
Alright, go. Listen.
I can't get up there.
Oh, fuck
Oh.
me. These fluffle duffles are gonna be handy.
Flip it up a little, don't let me reach all my legs. Okay, wait. Let me just look where I am on that symbol.
Alright, yeah, go right.
Oh!
Chillin', chillin'. Chillin' sounds good.
I can't get there. Can I? No. Oh! I just fell on the acid.
I do 51 push-ups on my bed and what Netflix.
51 plushies.
That's pretty good.
Oh no! What the freaking hell am I doing here?
I don't know.
I keep tagging the hips wrong. Oh! That was a mistake.
You made him think you were up high anyway. Were we here yet?
We were here, we came here.
I don't know where we need to be now.
We sat and killing them.
That was good.
Oh.
Yeah. We need to get double jump or wings or dash or something.
Well, we got here on this game.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's all this shit?
Exploration stuff.
What is it? That goes down to fungal weights. The fungal
I think it does.
yeah.
This one really
Mantis
successful.
Village and all.
This one really success yet?
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
As long as I don't fall into any acid, that would be cool to drop down.
No way.
Oh, that I could break through it.
Drop down. Drop down. Usually you just drop. No. Like right down beside. Not that a problem. Oh, okay. Perfect. Where are you at on the map? Yeah. Let me see. Let me see the map. Yeah, perfect.
Good.
Right down.
Down and left and then down and left. But I'm pretty sure there was a reason why we didn't go. Oh, whoops. I did that on purpose. I was just trying to get some damage.
Use your forehead.
I just needed some damage. I needed a couple battle scars.
Oh god.
Oh. I did that on purpose. Sometimes I like just barely missing it.
You
It
want to
makes
show
it
the
more
viewers
exciting.
like what to do if we get, if we make a mistake.
Yeah. Just really exciting. We came here before because we were ready to kill both of these guys. We cut all of these
Like
down.
right
now I
down
want to go down.
and then left.
Hello, Goofy.
We'll go this floor. Can't believe you're getting killed by these losers.
I'm not getting killed. Look, I refilled my lives. And now he's dead. Who's dead now? Oh, because when you came
Go
here,
down,
remember you
left,
went over there and
left.
killed us.
Okay, focus on the weak guys though. Okay.
Yeah, I did. Look. I killed him.
Yeah, not a scratch.
Not a single scratch on me. Oh!
Okay.
Half of it fell into
Fell in the
this
water.
acid. What the
There's something over there. Do we know what it is?
Oh, you mean with the spikes?
Yeah. Did we already do that and get a grub?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
Go left. Where are you going? No left.
left. No, but I already landed this.
Right, go left. Yeah, I think that's it. And then
Left
down
and
if
then
you
down.
can.
And then there's like some entryways, but...
Okay,
Okay, well. That's probably the best thing that
yeah. Left.
could have done. I don't think we were...
Oh yeah, stop going this way because there's those big things.
It's okay. They're kind of slow. We can dodge them.
Oh, we need the lantern for these things. Okay.
We don't. Not if you need any lantern. Fuck. That's what you say. It's because I keep pushing like I'm walking towards them still.
Yeah, stuff going towards it. There's a big. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Got him.
Is this just it? Or is it?
Yeah, enter. This is the one with the flower, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Holy shite. You're fucked.
I
You can't
didn't.
even see anything.
No. Oh shit! No, you gotta dash across. I think you have to dash
Okay,
across. Yeah, I'm done here.
I'll
No.
come back later.
I was like blindly jumping
I know.
into the abyss. I'm too tired for this.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Yeah, try and go
We went
left
there
and then
and
down.
Yeah.
Let me
Left
have a
here?
go.
Alright, you have a go. You do it. I'm just watching.
Oh, fuck these guys, though. You were doing well, actually. I can't go up right now. What's this prick thing? Oh, I don't have double jump.
You don't have double jump, and also you don't have Esmeralda's cure. Esmeralda's cure.
Oh, shit.
Oh
I hate
no!
this place. Where is the fungus? The fungal wasteland. We were supposed to go left. What was left?
Like you didn't get up there, you don't have double jump. You're gonna go over this too, right?
Yeah. No chance. Let's go.
Where are you going? You're going here?
Should I not?
Fog Canyon is so dangerous.
It is. And there's no like trains around.
Careful, do not go underneath those big ones. Right, we follow it. Conifer is a guy.
I'm not accepting that.
Conifer is Mr. Conifer, and then he said he could meet up with my wife.
This is one.
Aye!
Oh.
You lose 2 lives with those, so just be careful. Yeah, and you can't double jump up, so be more careful.
Holy shite.
What are you here?
I cannot do this.
Don't go here, you
Let's
need
go.
to dash. What the fuck are you
Okay.
doing? You're gonna lose your life here, Michael.
Yes, you lose, not me. Oh god.
What was you?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done for it.
Why am I doing this?
I don't know. Like, you don't know. Oh my
How
god.
can I even get back
What
now?
the fuck are you doing? How are you gonna get your life if you die here? Oh my god, what are you doing?
Oh god.
You're fucking insane! Oh my god, no! Oh, you're insane! You're insane! Jump up quick!
I'm good.
Oh my god.
We're all good.
No, okay. Refill life.
We're
Refill
gonna give
life.
us a load of shit.
Refill life.
Hold on, you. Look, there's a wall we can't climb.
I know what this is. This is what the man says.
Are you joking?
Yes!
That's like.
No, I'm not. This is what the
Why is
man.
it? Oh!
You're done here.
I'm cooked.
Get this guy.
Fuck you. Bumblebee.
Holy shit. You're nuts. I can't believe you
We're all
went
good.
this
At
way.
least we're out of the fog.
No, you don't need to do that.
How do I know to do this?
No, you don't need to refill the life. No, I need to.
I'm literally stuck.
Yeah, you're stuck here.
Can I go over here?
No.
Do we have to go through all this shit again?
You have to go through all this shit
This is a
again.
waste of time.
You need double jump.
Oh my.
You need double jump and dash. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, no. No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, baby.
How are you doing
I
that?
don't even know.
Oh my god.
This is a bad time, isn't it?
Okay. Oh, you've got something here.
Oh. Hip shit.
Basically useless.
Okay, that's fun. Oh!
And
Back
back
to the
into
fray.
the thick of this. That was crazy. How are you even surviving this?
Where'd I go
I
after
don't
that?
know. Wow. Oh. It's okay, you've got those 2 extra lives. Really through the very end. Oh my god, how did you even do that? I don't
Oh
understand.
shit.
Yeah. It's okay, he won't come back until you sit on a bench. Until he finishes. Why are you going down?
Should I not
Don't go
down?
down, no, go up. Go back to safety. No, you can't. Oh, it takes 2 lives, Michael. It takes 2 lives, Michael.
At least we're back out there. Oh my god, I'm turning it off.
You just lost $1,000.
Oh my god.
You should have gone back to
Where's
Connor
that
for
money at?
to
Oh
dirt
shit.
mountain.
I'm turning it off.
No.
I'm done.
Do we have ransomads yet?
No, we don't.
I don't know. Well,
That was good.
okay.
That was good. Alright. Goodbye, YouTube and the world. Goodbye, YouTube and the world. I'm friggin' done.
Take a note, sweet dreams.
Huh?
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow.
I can't believe you went to Fog Canyon. Why would you do that?
I don't fucking know.
You need like to get dash or something. Double dash.